Hey guys, welcome to this week's Eastwood Update. Cody, what do we got?
So this week, we came up with some really cool products. The first one is our new air hose reel. So it's a 50-foot, 3/8 air hose reel, and it's got a slow rewind so it doesn't slap the wall.
There we go.
We also just came out with a 14-gauge metal hand punch. It's a Roper Whitney style punch. They've been around forever, but this one's really high quality and at a great price. We've also had out for a couple weeks some really nice Eastwood hammers. They're made in the USA, they're shot filled. We got them in dead blow sizes, sludge sizes. We have them in ball peens and flat face hammers. They're great. We even make this little one for PDR work. So Dave, what's new with the web and what do we got going on with retail?
We got free shipping over $99 for Groundhog's Day. We got some great sales going on. Make sure you subscribe to our email list so you get those reminders. There's a few sales that are going on you're only going to get if you're on that email list. In store, we talked about this last week. Don't forget plasma cutter event across all 3 stores this weekend. You're going to get great deals you're not going to find anywhere else.
Don't forget about the Edison Store. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Treat yourself. Treat yourself.
Got a busy week on videos.
So Dave worked so hard this week, he doesn't even know what videos he did. So first, we got a door skinning. 2-part video where we did a 67 Camaro. You may have seen it in the Repair Restore Revive. It's a pretty cool one. Then, I think you did something on the PCS 1000. That hit, it was an R&D corner. It shows you why you need to buy the PCS 1000, why it's innovative, and how easy it's going to be for powder coating in the future.
Dude, that was awesome. I made an STT video where yours truly was on screen talking about all the wheels that they have available and why you need them. Lastly, we got a brand new series that's in the works right now. It's called Tech Tip Tuesday, and it's with this guy right here. He's going to bring you a bunch of great information and quick little snippets.
So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube videos, subscribe to the emails like we talked about, and keep up with the Eastwood Update. That's it.
See you guys next week.